Hey everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's guide, I'm just going to show you how I clean my tiles, how I clean the grout between them. Over time, bare feet and stuff, dirt can really compact that and make it from its brilliant white to kind of more of a brownish, which doesn't look as appealing. So, I've been for years, trying to figure out a way to, get them white again without damaging or peeling the paint. Step number one, don't use a standard SOS pad. These are very abrasive and they cause a lot of scratches, and it can peel up the white paint, and that's not what you want. And a normal sponge just doesn't have enough abrasion to make it white, to just lift up the dirt. So I recommend going with a scratch resistant SOS pad. They're normally blue. I'll put links below to where you can purchase them on Amazon. And then I just use a basic cleaner. It doesn't really matter what type of cleaner you use, but I'd recommend just a basic cleaner and a non-scratch SOS pad. Just to show you what I'm going to be cleaning, as you can see if you get pretty close here, there is some brown dirt in there. It's just not quite brilliant white. If we look underneath my bath mat, which never gets stepped on, underneath you can just see there's none of that brownness. It's just white, and that's what I'm going to be bringing back to life here on these other parts of the tiles. Now it's pretty straightforward. All I do is take my cleaner, kind of soak in between, use your non-scratch SOS pad, use my finger to kind of push down so it gets into the grout, and I just kind of go back and forth, applying some pressure but not too much. You don't have to go back and forth too many times, and you can already see it's working. All right, I'm just about done. As you can see, there is no white paint on the SOS pad, which is a bonus. Otherwise, you're gonna have to repaint this, which I had to do one time when I was using a standard SOS pad, and it was just a nightmare trying to paint this thing and get it back to white. So you can't beat the non-scratch SOS pad. Okay, I went over the whole thing, and then I just take a paper towel and then just kind of dry up all the parts you got. I do this about once every 2 weeks. If you have kids or a lot of people, a lot of traffic, a lot of foot traffic in your bathroom, you may need to do this more, but it really does bring your bathroom back to life. It just makes the white pop, and it just looks like a newer bathroom, I think, when the grout in between your tiles is clean. All right, look at that. The white's just popping. And as you can see, if I get down here, it's just back to being pretty darn white, just like it was under my rug. Ooh, I need to clean my rug. Maybe I'll make another video for that soon. But I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button. We'll see you in the next video.